Hi there, hi everyone, welcome back with the third and last puzzle. Not in today's newspaper, no. Today it's actually Sunday, and on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. No, it's the yesterday's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, Saturday, June the 11th, 2022. I've already solved two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the Sudoku with 2 stars. It's time for the Tectonic with 1 star. And this puzzle will be number 4690. 4690. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 16. Printed digits should be an easy one. Okay, for 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. That's my time limit. All right, 15 minutes. So let's get started. All right. Let me scan the puzzle. Okay, the first question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here single box, there single box, always a 1. Can we see here any dual boxes? This is the next question. I see here a dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 1 because we have a 1 there, so the 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. More dual boxes? No. Triple boxes then. Here we have a triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, this box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there, and the other digits could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, well, cannot be a 4 anymore because we have a 4 in the same area, so this box should be a 5. Okay, triple box. Quadra boxes then. Do we have quadra boxes here? I see here quadra box contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, those numbers I cannot fill yet. Yes, so we need to wait for more information. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, figures, structures, or constructions. For example, we have here the Z or the S construction. Let me draw this here. Yeah, let me draw this here. All right. When you see the Z construction, remember that this box has the same name as that box. And that box, wait. So this box has the same name as that box, and that box has the same name as this box. That box is the same name as this box. Okay. And here we have the S construction, the same but rotated and flipped. Yes, so this box has the same name as that box, but also that box has the same name as this box. In this case, it's a 1. More Z or S constructions? No. Let me see. Then the following figure. How about this figure? Alright. When you see this kind of figure, remember that this box has the same name as that box. Alright. So this box has the same name as that box. Here another one, rotated. So this box has the same name as that box. Do we have more? No. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? We have a L shape here. Let me draw this here. The L shape. When you see the L shape, this is rotated. Remember that this box has the same name as that box. Okay, so this box has the same name as that box. Do we have more? Yeah, upside down. This box has the same name as that box. It's already filled in, that 1. Okay, do we have more? No. Then the following structure or shape, figure. How about this one? Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. All right. I believe those are the shapes or figures that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Not all of them. Maximum are 6. But not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These two boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So one box left for the 4 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Two numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. The 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 3 in this cross area, so the 3 should be there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be 3. Those 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So one box left for the 3 should be here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. And that box is also connected with this box. Should be also a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 and the 5. Alright. Then let me see. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1. So one box left for the 1 in this Z construction should be here. 2 numbers left in this Z construction for the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Well, I cannot place the 2 here because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 5. These 2 boxes can be a 5. That box can be a 5, so one box left for the 5. It should be there. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, we already have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Alright. Then this box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. No 2, okay. Let me think. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 2. So one box left for the 2 in this triple box should be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and a 3. Let me mark those, 1 and a 3. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Oh, not good, not good. Wrong place. Wrong place. These 3 boxes surround the 5 cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Okay. Let me think. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. Let me think. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. I think this, well, I've eliminated the 2 because those 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here, and I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 3. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 2 and the 1. Let me mark those 2 and 1. Let me see. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes here. Of course, because this box is connected with that box. So 1 box left in this S construction for number 3. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 and 1, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 3, 1 number left in this area for number 3. 1 and a 3, okay. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay, now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 4, can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. This box should be a 5. Then, well. These 3 boxes surround the 5, can be 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also 5. These 2 boxes can be 5 because we have a 5 there. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area, 2 and a 1, 2 and a 1. Let me mark those. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3. But we have a 2 here, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 3. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1. should be here. Two final numbers in this quarter box for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. On the edge, yes. Almost. Well, let me give this a 1 star. Definitely 1 star. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again tomorrow on Monday. So have a great and fantastic Sunday. Until then, bye-bye for now.